doesn't want it.
Bum a soup or something?
Yeah, I got one. What's your name?
Tyler.
Tyler? You're a student here? What are you doing on Wednesday? 7:30.
Tomorrow?
Yeah. Nothing? Then, in exchange for the cigarette, I'm going to ask a favor, and you can say yes or no, or at least think about it. My name is Jericho Simon. I'm a graduate student here at Central Michigan University. First of all, I shouldn't smoke. I know I shouldn't smoke either. But at the same time, we have that liberty. I'm the PR director for a newly formed SSDP chapter here at Central Michigan University. SSDP stands for Students for Sensible Drug Policies, and we're trying to reduce the impact of drugs on our youth, while at the same time trying to address the failing policy of the war on drugs. That is failing our generation and our society. And we are doing that here at Central Michigan University. Here at Central Michigan University in the beginning of April, our RSO SSDP submitted a policy referendum to the Academic Senate. It's a policy equality, and what we're trying to do is obtain sensible drug policy in relation to both alcohol and marijuana violations here at our university. By submitting the policy equality at Central Michigan University, we are trying to reduce the impact alcohol is having in our student demographic. We are also trying to approach marijuana as the safer substance. Marijuana is not toxic at all. Anything that you may know in regards to the prohibition of marijuana, based on many years of research, empirical data and statistics that are compiled both by the United States government agencies as well as scientific and medical communities around the world, marijuana is safer than alcohol. This is a very important step for engaging the conversation of sensible drug policy with our mentors here at Central Michigan University. Whether or not we win this vote, the fact that we, the RSO, has engaged the conversation with these individuals should indicate to the rest of the student body, to our academic mentors here at campus, the faculty members and faculty association, as well as the administration, how much this truly does mean to the people.
And just like when I talk to the students, nobody wants to get kicked out of a university for something that is not harmful to anyone else besides themselves.
I would not be surprised in the least if the elections and the politics that the marijuana subject matter implicitly creates in the political conversation to certainly have an impact on the lack of communication and follow-through from various individuals. There has already been one vote of no confidence from the Academic Senate for President Ross and Provost Shapiro, and today they will be doing another vote of confidence from what I've been informed. They've also shortened the meeting. By shortening the meeting, they're reducing the likelihood that there will be enough time in this meeting to hear this referendum. I don't know if that's the reason why they shortened it, or if it was because it's finals week, but it could very well possibly been a political maneuver. First and foremost, the Academic Senate did not have a response for us today. It was not anticipated, it was not on the agenda. Our hope was to have time to get the motion necessary to be heard today, but because we ran out of time, they were not able to give us a response. So in the future, there will be a response from the Academic Senate. At the moment, unfortunately, we haven't had the opportunity to hear what they have to say in regards to this measure. What we're asking for is a conversation with educated individuals in order for us to appropriately, with the support of our academic mentors and our professors and our administration.
Would you support something else that we talked about was that if you are, let's just say hypothetically, you speak to your thought, and then someone else with a counter view could also share their thoughts.
Oh, absolutely.
Okay.
Because that's part of
I
having
mean,
a
we just threw that
conversation.
around.
I'm really confident in it actually being passed, just for the fact that just from the general vibe and feeling from the academic senate, I do feel that they're taking in the concerns of the students, not only in the fact that the professors deal directly with the students, but also the fact that there's students involved in the academic senate.
The propaganda machine over the past 75 years or longer has been incredibly successful, encouraging and proliferating incomplete truths and outright lies in regards to marijuana prohibition. And the first step for us to assuage the injustices occurring in the legal and the judiciary system at this point in time because of the failing policy of the war on drugs, we need to educate ourselves. So I want to encourage you to please help us by helping you. Help yourself by educating yourself.